Hello and welcome, my name is DJ. Today I'm going to take you through the installation and setup process for getting started with MetaOps gaming. Throughout this video we'll be covering the download process, installation of the game, connection of your Phantom wallet to the game, as well as the MetaOps game account creation. So let's start off with the download process. Open up a web browser, and then we're going to go to MetaOps homepage, which is https://metaopsgaming.com. In the top right there, we'll click on download now, and click on download now again. Save that file. Now don't open that file directly from your web browser, and the reason being is because we need to run that as an administrator. So click on show in folder, find that file, right click, and then run as administrator. Select yes. Read through the terms and conditions. Once you've done that, click on next. Select which folder or drive you'd like to place that in. Click next. Create a desktop shortcut. And then I'm going to uncheck launching MetaOps beta. And again, that's because I need to run it as administrator. So we can close that down now. We've now got the icon on our desktop. So what I want to do here is I want to right click this, and I'm going to go to properties. And then I'm going to go to advanced, and then I'm going to check the box which is run as administrator. So every time I run this program now, it's going to run as administrator. Click OK, and then click on the apply button and continue. Click on the application again. Click on yes. The update process will now kick off automatically, and I've sped this up to make it a lot quicker for the video. However, depending on where you are in the world, this process can take anywhere up to 10 minutes to update the full game. The game is now updated successfully, and we're going to log in for the first time. There are a few steps that we need to do to register our connection with our Phantom wallet to the MetaOps database, as well as set up a username and password. So I'm going to click on don't have an account and sign up. So that's actually going to trigger a web page to open. So that's https://alpha.metaopsgaming.com. I'm going to click on connect my Phantom wallet. It's going to ask to view my wallet balance and activity, as well as request approval for transactions. So I'm going to click connect, and it's going to look for a PFP in my wallet, which it did. So that part was successful, and now I'm going to click on sign up as well, and this is to set my username and my gamer tag and my password. So let's go with Meta DJ, and my gamer tag or my nickname MetaOps DJ. So they can't be the same, your username and your nickname, and when you go to log into the game, you're going to use the username. And be mindful that it is case sensitive, so if you use capitals when you create a username, you need to make sure that when you type that username into the game, that you also use capitals as well. Type in your password, and I'm going to register. Okay, so it's very small. but it does say down here that registration was successful. I can see my wallet address is here as well. And now I'm actually going to close this page and I'm back into the game. And my username is MetaDJ. Type in my password. I can click on remember me, and every time I log into the game it will remember my details. And then OK. Again, it's checked for my PFP in my wallet. Looks successful, and we're going to access the game. Okay, now I've reached the home screen of MetaOps, which is looking good. And that is the end of the tutorial for today on how to get started with the installation and registration process of MetaOps. Head over to our Discord if you have any other questions.